What's up, Consumer Picks family? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of bait casting reels, and I know this topic splits the fishing community right down the middle. You either love bait casters or you're terrified of them. But here's the truth. When you find the right bait casting reel, it'll completely transform your fishing game. I've been testing bait casters for over 15 years, and I've got 7 absolute standouts for 2025 that I'm ranking from good to absolutely phenomenal. Whether you're a seasoned pro or someone ready to make the jump from spinning reels, I've got something for every skill level and budget. Make sure to check the description below for direct links to all of these reels at the best current prices. I've done the shopping for you. Let's get into it. Starting us off at number 7 is the Lew's American Hero Speed Spool. And at just $65, this reel proves you don't need to break the bank to get into bait casting. This is hands down the best budget bait caster on the market, and here's why it made our list. What I love about Lew's is their attention to ergonomics, even at this price point. The handle has a nice texture that gives you grip even when your hands are wet, and the overall construction feels solid in your hand. It's not going to win any awards for premium materials, but it's built to last through regular use. Here's something cool that sets this reel apart. A portion of every purchase goes to support U.S. military veterans. So you're not just getting a good reel, you're supporting a great cause. Now, why is it at number 7? Simple. It's a budget reel with budget performance. The braking system isn't as refined as higher-end options, so beginners might struggle with backlash initially. The casting distance isn't exceptional, and it doesn't have the smoothness you'll find in pricier reels. But here's the thing. If you're just starting with bait casters, need to build an arsenal of multiple reels, or want a reliable backup that won't hurt your wallet, the American Hero delivers solid value. It's the perfect entry point into the bait casting world without the financial commitment. Coming in at number 6 is the Lew's HyperMag, and this reel is all about one thing: being incredibly lightweight without feeling cheap. At just 5.2 ounces, this thing practically disappears in your hand, and trust me, after a full day of casting, you'll feel the difference. The HyperMag features a one-piece magnesium frame that feels rock solid despite the light weight. I've handled plenty of lightweight reels that feel flimsy or hollow, but this isn't one of them. The construction quality is impressive, and the ergonomics are fantastic. That textured handle gives you excellent grip even with wet hands. The centrifugal brake system works well, though it's probably better suited for experienced anglers who understand how to dial in their settings. Once you get it tuned right, this reel casts beautifully and handles a variety of lure weights effectively. So why number 6? The price. At $350, you're paying a premium primarily for weight reduction. While the reel performs well, there are options that offer better overall value or more advanced features for similar money. The HyperMag is excellent if lightweight is your top priority, but most anglers will find better bang for their buck elsewhere on our list. The HyperMag is perfect for anglers who fish long days and want to reduce fatigue, or anyone with wrist or arm issues where every ounce matters. At number 5, we have the Shimano Curado DC, and this is where things get really interesting. This reel represents Shimano's breakthrough in digital control technology, and it's specifically designed to handle saltwater conditions better than most bait casters. With minimal input from you, this reel automatically adjusts for lure weight and wind conditions. While it doesn't completely eliminate backlash, nothing can do that, it reduces it dramatically. You can throw light lures directly into a headwind without fear of blowing up your entire spool. The saltwater capabilities really set this apart from most bait casters. The corrosion resistance and sealed bearings make it ideal for coastal fishing or anywhere salt spray might be an issue. Why number 5? While the DC technology is impressive, it comes at a cost. The reel is heavier than some alternatives, and the digital control system, while helpful, can become a crutch. Some experienced anglers prefer the feel and control of a traditional braking system. Plus, if the electronics ever fail, you're looking at an expensive repair. The Curado DC earns its spot because it's the perfect choice for anglers who fish in challenging conditions, beginners who struggle with backlash, or anyone who wants the latest technology in their fishing arsenal. Number 4 is the Garcia Revo 5 Rocket, and this reel is an absolute screamer. We're talking about a 10.3 to 1 gear ratio that grabs 44 inches of line per handle turn. If you need speed, this is your reel. This reel was designed for aggressive fishing scenarios. Whether you're targeting big largemouth in heavy cover, redfish screaming through mangroves, or any situation where you need to move fast and hit hard, the Revo 5 Rocket delivers. The speed is intoxicating. Once you experience that lightning-fast retrieve, it's hard to go back to slower reels. It's perfect for techniques like burning spinnerbaits, ripping lipless crankbaits, or any situation where you need to cover water quickly. Why number 4? The extreme focus on speed creates some limitations. This isn't the reel for slow presentations or finesse techniques. The high gear ratio can actually work against you in some situations, making it harder to work lures slowly or maintain precise control. It's also overkill for many fishing scenarios. The Revo 5 Rocket earns its ranking because it's the ultimate speed demon. If your fishing style matches its capabilities, this reel will exceed your expectations. But it's a specialized tool, not a versatile all-arounder. At number 3 is the Lose Custom Pro Gen 3, and this reel represents incredible value at the flagship level. For $279, you're getting premium features that usually cost significantly more. What impressed me most is how quietly this reel operates. From cast to retrieve, everything feels smooth and refined. The HyperMag system makes it incredibly user-friendly. Even if you're not an expert at tuning baitcasters, you can get this dialed in quickly. The versatility is excellent too. Whether you're throwing weightless Senkos or chunking heavy jigs, this reel adapts beautifully. The drag system is smooth and reliable, and the overall construction feels like it'll last for years. Number 3, because while it's an excellent reel with great features, it doesn't quite have the cutting-edge technology or specialized performance of our top 2 picks. The HyperMag system, while effective, isn't as advanced as digital control. But for most anglers, this reel hits the sweet spot of performance, features, and price. The Custom Pro Gen 3 is perfect for serious anglers who want flagship performance without paying flagship prices. It's versatile, reliable, and packed with thoughtful features that enhance your fishing experience. Coming in at number 2 is the Garcia Revo Rocket, and this reel showcases why Garcia has been a leader in fishing reels for decades. At 7.3 ounces with 10 quality bearings plus a roller bearing, this reel delivers exceptional performance across the board. I love that this reel is readily available in both left and right-hand retrieve versions. Not all manufacturers offer that flexibility. The blazing red color scheme isn't just for looks. It perfectly represents the speed this reel delivers. The casting performance is where this reel really shines. The spool control is excellent, backlash is minimal with proper setup, and the distance you can achieve is impressive. It handles a wide range of lure weights effectively, making it versatile enough for most fishing situations. Why number 2? While this is an exceptional reel, it still focuses heavily on speed over versatility. It's not ideal for slower presentations or extreme finesse techniques, but for 90% of bass fishing scenarios, this reel excels. The Revo Rocket earns the number 2 spot because it represents the perfect balance of speed, performance, and reliability. It's a reel that serious anglers can depend on in virtually any situation. And our number 1 pick is the Shimano Metanium DCA, the absolute pinnacle of baitcasting reel technology. At $499, it's the most expensive reel on our list, but it's also the most advanced and versatile baitcaster ever created. This reel represents the lightest digitally controlled reel to date at barely 6 ounces. But don't let that fool you. The performance is absolutely incredible. I've run the gamut with this reel, from weightless Senkos on light line to big 3/4 ounce spinnerbaits, and it handles everything with equal precision. The 5th generation DC braking system is a masterpiece of engineering. Even spooled with heavy-duty line, it casts super smoothly. But where it really sets itself apart is casting ultralight baits on light line in windy conditions. I've used it pitching and skipping weightless worms, soft jerk baits, and swim baits around cover with incredible ease and precision. The Metanium DCA earns the top spot because it's simply the most complete bait casting reel available. Yes, it's expensive, but you're getting the pinnacle of design, technology, and performance. This is the reel that other manufacturers aspire to match. And there you have it, the 7 best bait casting reels for 2025. From the budget-friendly American Hero to our winner, the technologically advanced Metanium DCA, there's a perfect reel for every angler and every budget. Don't forget to check out all the direct purchase links in the description below. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're looking for in your next Baitcaster, and I'll help you narrow down the perfect choice. If this video helped you make a decision, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest gear reviews. I'm constantly testing the newest fishing gear to help you make the best choices for your angling adventures. Thanks for watching Consumer Picks and Tight Lines.